Well, that's one way to do it.
Let me show you a few more tips and tricks for your day. Also, thank you so much to Car Gurus for sponsoring a portion of this video. This little gadget that I found online actually has an alarm with built-in wheels that will literally jump off your nightstand. I know, it's insanity. And this actually forces you out of bed to turn off your alarm. However, if you don't have this, no worries. Here are some other hacks to help you get up. The first hack is to put on a robe. You'll feel much cozier and you won't be inclined to go back into your cozy bed. Also, make yourself work for it. Put the clock across the room so that you must get up in order to turn it off. And finally, immediately go into your bathroom and brush your teeth. Now, the minty ingredients in your toothpaste can have a stimulating effect and even increase your alertness. Once you've mastered the morning, it's time to move on to getting your life together in a variety of ways. Before I tell you how, I just wanted to say thanks to Car Gurus for sponsoring this portion of the video. Okay, you guys know how important making to-do lists is for me. I talk about it all the time. Matter of fact, I've even created to-do lists and all these cute worksheets, which will be all linked down below. So recently, one of the big items on my to-do list that was giving me nightmares was car shopping. And you guys know this is not something that's so easily checked off a list. So I know that I needed a little bit of help, which is why I wish I had known about Car Gurus sooner. Okay guys, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my car. When I was purchasing my last car, I had to personally research prices and compare them to multiple dealerships. It was a headache. And honestly, at the end of the day, I didn't even know if I was making the right choice. I was so overwhelmed. I was so stressed. It was awful. Purchasing a car is a huge decision and you want to be confident about your choice. So if you felt like me, then Car Gurus is your answer. The personalized search options makes buying a car much easier with their wide variety of makes and models. They have cars from up to 50% more dealers than other leading sites. So you know you're not missing out on anything. I also really appreciate how Car Gurus rates whether the deal is good or bad, and unlike other car sites, only 1 out of 5 gets a good rating. That is crazy. That means they are so strict with their decision, which means you are going to be making the best decision. Also, I noticed Car Gurus has a complete car history where it talks about previous owners, damages, and how long it has been on the lot. So usually when purchasing a used car, the buyer can kind of feel a lack of transparency, but with Car Gurus, you feel like you're in control, which is amazing. Also, seeing private sellers is a feature I have never seen before and I found to be extremely helpful. They are literally a matchmaker connecting you to dealerships in your area who have the specific car that you want. And trust me, Car Gurus understands that buying a car can't always wait. So it assists in locating desired vehicles across the country to provide contactless shopping options so that you can safely find, test drive, and purchase a car during this whole COVID-19 outbreak. So if you're looking for a great deal, be sure to check out Car Gurus. I will leave a link down below. Thanks to Car Gurus for sponsoring this portion of my video. If you're a bookworm like myself and you struggle between not knowing which book to read first, a fiction, a nonfiction, I know these are real bookworm problems. I got you covered. If it's morning time, be sure to pick up a nonfiction book. Mornings are the times that our brains tend to be the sharpest, so nonfiction is said to help with reducing stress, increasing creativity, improving communication skills, and improving focus and memory. Now, a fiction book is actually best to read in the evenings. The reason being is fiction helps to calm the mind and take away from your day-to-day life. Reading a book is much better than catching up on your phone and reading your Twitter feed. The bright lights of your phone will keep you up and distract your brain, so reading an old-fashioned book is a better choice, especially if you have any kind of sleep problems or insomnia. Trade in that blue light for a book light instead. So if you've been feeling dehydrated, one thing that's helped me a lot with personally drinking more water is placing different types of water bottles all around places that I'm at often. Literally anytime you make your life that much easier, not having to add more water into different water bottles, this will help facilitate any habit. Also, you will visually be reminded in every room of your house, hey, I should probably hydrate myself. How many of you multitask? Let me know down below in the comments. Well, think again. Studies have actually found that multitasking reduces your productivity by 40%. That's a lot. Research also shows that multitasking can actually damage your brain and lower your IQ. So here are some quick little tips to help you out. Step 1, focus on one simple task. It's really that easy, unless you have distractions like me right now. Number 2, keep distractions muted. Anything like text messages, emails, notifications, zippo zappa, put it on airplane mode, turn your phone off, and set a little timer for you to know when it is time to get back to social media stuff. Setting timers and achieving small tasks one at a time helps you channel your energy into small bursts. Feeling the sense of achievement will help you build momentum and complete tasks quicker. And lastly, make sure that your breaks are meaningful. So treat yourself to something nice. Not to mention, once the timer is up and your task is complete, you'll feel a lot better. One thing that saved me so much time and energy is buying my groceries online. Even though it is one of my favorite activities, I know, I'm a little weird. And this can help reduce over shopping, impulse buying, and even those unhealthy options. Also, not to mention, this can help keep you on track with how much you're spending. Also, you have a whole shop history, so next time you need to purchase the groceries, you literally just hit the same button and you are done. Plus, what is better than getting it at the comfort of your own house, in your PJs? Hi. If you're having a hard time eating healthy during quarantine, trust me, I have too. If you want to condition your mind to do something, you have to create visual triggers to remind yourself of your goals. Try placing all of your good healthy food in the middle of the fridge. That way you are conditioning your mind to see the good stuff, to be more appealed to that stuff as opposed to the unhealthy things. If you struggle with being messy and staying organized, the one-touch rule applies to literally everything in your life. So the one-touch rule was created by Ann Gomez, and she says, put away your things immediately and avoid handling them more than once after you're done with them. And that's it. The one-touch rule can apply to so many different areas of your life, like sorting your mail right after you're bringing it home, cleaning your living room, cleaning your room, whatever it is. The one-touch rule is a game changer. So next time you use anything, be sure to place it back in its designated home. So I just wanted to say I'm so sorry if this video was a little bit odd. We are currently in the middle of moving. More on that over on the vlog channel. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I want to give a huge shout out to Ruby for watching my videos. Thank you so much. If you'd like a shout out in my next video, be sure that you are subscribed, you have hit that bell, and you're here within the first 30 minutes that every video goes live. And if you're the first to write hashtag notification squad, I will be sure to give you a shout out in the next video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.